Knees slightly bent, just like in all standard dances. Now, we will start with the right foot in the front, and we slide the left foot to the right one. Now, the left foot goes to the back, and we slide the right one to the left. Once again, and move the right foot to the front, and slide the left foot to the right one. Yes, please notice that the entire time I'm at the same level. Right to the front, left to the back. I'm not doing something like this, like in the English waltz. That on 2 I go up, but I try to stay at the same level. 2, 3. Now we will try it with timing and knee slightly bent. We begin with the right to the front. 1 and 2, 3, we slide the left foot. 1, 2, and 3, we slide left foot. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Right, 2, and 3. Right to the front, left to the back. I'll show it from the side. Knee slightly bent. Right foot ready, and right to the front. I slide the left to the right. Left to the back. I slide the right foot to the left. And faster. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'll show it from the back. Knees slightly bent. Right to the front. 1, I slide to the right. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We will try with music now. Knees slightly bent. Remember, right foot goes to the front, the left one goes to the back. We have the step on 1, and on 2, 3, we slide the foot. Start. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. I'll show it from the side, and right to the front, left to the back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Please notice that I make the step on the main beat of the music. Beat, 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 and step. Beat, 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 beat. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1. I will show it from the back. Let's remember that our knees are slightly bent. Right foot to the front, left to the back. Attention. Start. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 on the main beat. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Now we will try the basic step together. For now we are not touching each other. Knees slightly bent. The lead starts with the right to the front. The follow with the left to the back. Let's try. And slowly. 1 and 2, 3, slide the foot. And 1, 2, 3, slide the foot. 1, 2, 3, slide the foot. 1, 2, 3. Once again. The lead with the right. The follow with the right to the back. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Please notice, we match each other the entire time. If the lead goes with the right foot forward, the follow goes with the left to the back, and vice versa. 2, 3. The lead with the right, and the follow with the left. Left of the follow. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We will try together. With the left hand, the lead holds the right hand of the follow. With the right one, the lead holds his partner under the shoulder blade, right under. Attention, your back is straight, elbows at shoulder height. The follow. Left hand lands on the lead's arm, and our bodies touch from our knees through thighs, abdomen, up to our chest. We stand straight. Yes, and the lead stands straight up, chin up. Our partner from the bust up is slowly bent back, but only from the bust. The fellow cannot stand like this. It's like this. The abdomen is always against the partner. Besides that, the wrong way is also rather painful. Our back will hurt us. If we stand correctly, we will press our abdomen against the partner, and only from the bust we will catch a slight bend backwards, and it will be more natural than such as this. Let's remember, we have contact with each other in the knees, hips, and abdomen. We try to stand as close as possible. Let's try it. The lead goes with the right foot to the front, the follow goes with the left foot backwards. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'll show it from the back, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. The lead with the right, the follow with the left. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Now, when we dance, then we can slightly twist to the right. We will show how. Let's start as usual, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and now slightly turn to the right, 1, 2, without changing the steps. Yes, if I show it now alone without my partner, please notice. We don't change the steps, but slightly move the right shoulder back. Right shoulder. Right shoulder. And so the turn is created. We will try with the music. We join together. The lead begins with the right foot to the front. The follow with the left foot to the back. Attention. And start. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's remember our knees are slightly bent. Slightly bent. We make tiny steps. The lead adjusts his steps to the follow.